So, my whole entire pump exploded on my PC. As you can see, I don't know how this happened, when this happened, but randomly, I just woke up from sleeping. It was fine for however long, but you can see, yeah, it's leaking from the pump. Oh, this is fantastic. Well, just so that I wanted to wake up to. Yes. Oh, lordy. Okay. GG, man. GG. Alright, so the aftermath of taking it out. Yeah, pick up this still, but got all the fans. Got all of it. Nothing too serious. These fans I can give a wipe down. Didn't get on the motherboard, luckily, but it got here. Look at this. It's like the money shot. Oh, yeah. Still a little wet. Have it in a trash bag. But, yep. Issues with getting liquid cooling. And my guinea pigs are not happy. Looks like I'm going to go to the Mac M2 Pro Max for a little bit. I don't have the money to get a new GPU. Yeah, that's fantastic.